Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos we have seen up to pattern number 46. In today's session we are going to talk about the pattern number 47. What is the pattern number 46? In every row we are printing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we are going to print. That is, we are printing the column values. I don't want column values. I want to print row values. So in the first row I want to print 1. In the second row I want to print 2 and 2. In third row I want to print 3 and then 3 and then 3. In the fourth row I want to print 4, 4, 4. In fifth row, I want to print 555 like this. So let us write a program to print in this style. Is it same like previous? Because, so I explained very clearly, when the value of I is equal to 1. So what will be your j values? Your j values will become 1 to I plus 1. That is nothing but 1 to 2 we are taking. Where we are going to get only 1. Okay, only one. J value is 1. Instead of printing J value, try to print I value. So what is your I value? 1, right? That I am printing. And when I is equal to 2, so what will happen? Your J values will become, 1 to 2 plus 1. That means 3. So how many J values we are going to get? 1 comma 2, 2 J values. But in these, I want to print 2 times 2, because whatever I value is there here, same thing I am printing. And when I is equal to 3, your J values will become 1 to 4. That means you will get how many J's? 3 J's we are going to get. In that place, I want to print whatever value of I that we have. Means what? In this J place, we have to substitute I, except that there is nothing in our program. Let us replace with I. Let us replace with I and cross check whether we are getting or not. Now you can see in the first row we got 1. In the second row we got 2 and 2. In third row we have 3, 3, 3. In fourth row we have 4, 4, 4. In fifth row we have 5, 5, 5 like this. This is the way how we can able to print this particular pattern, right? I think you people got very clear idea about pattern number 47 also. Thank you.